So today I'll be showing you how to create a textured floor plans and elevations in the 500s without having to do it in Photoshop. And it is really simple and quick. We just have to play with a few of the camera settings. Once we have placed all the furnitures and applies textures into our models. So this is the model that I have for my studio projects. Um, so If we want to create a plan, see the plan of this ground floor, first off we have to create a section of box which I show in my previous videos on how to do it. Once you have this section, we can just drag it down. As you can see, if we want to drag it down until it hits a certain point of our ground floor, maybe a bit more, and something like this will works for the ground floors. And we have to turn this affected by light on in order to have a better lighting of our plants. As you can see, if we turn it off, it's a bit dark, and when we turn it on, it's better. We can also turn up the light as well, and maybe the sun as well. So you can see it is a lot better right now. So how do we get the floor plan? So in order to get a floor plan of this, we have to go to the cameras and try putting it on top view. So once it is on top view, you can see we can actually have the floor plan of our ground floors ready. And it is really quick for the first stage of our design. If we want to show our tutors our floor plan with the materials and textures ready, and we can just put it on top view, and we can get click on image and renders if we want to get the clear version of the floor plan. And what if we want to have an elevations as well? So in order to get an elevations, we just have to drag it back up the section plane, and once it hits the top floors, we can just go into the cameras and set it to like left view or right views, front views. And right here is our elevations. Maybe we can play with the lighting, or maybe the rotation of the sun, and maybe we want to add some effects from the fogs, or play with the HDRI to change something. Maybe something like this will works. And if then that's it. This is how we can get the elevations. Maybe we set it to the back view. Here is our another views of our elevations, and we can just go into the image and renders, and we can get the image of our elevation really quick with textures and materials already. And if we want to get these sections, maybe we just go turn it, just let's say B side, A side, turn it up like this, go to cameras and front views, and here is our sections. Go to back views, another sections, maybe move this back a bit back. This will work, and we can also get our perspective section as well from this view. Again, play with the lighting for better lighting, and it is really quick for the first stage of our design if you want something that's draft to show out to this. And that's it. This is how I do my floor flexures, floor plans, elevation, and section in the 500s. Thank you for watching.